are from านปะโค School. Today I take to you travel at Red Lotus. This is train station at กุมภาวาปี You can take the train from Udon to here. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes,
What is interesting at กุมภาวาปี district?
Red Lotus Sea for Thai people. We call ทะเลบัวแดง This place is located กุมภาวาปี district อุดรธานี province in the northeast of Thailand. You will see the lake is covered by millions of lotus, flower and snapdragon for one of the best memory in Thailand. We would like to share this really spectacular natural attraction to you.
How far from Udon?
About 50 kilometers.
You can take me to Lake Lotus Sea.
Yes, today I will go there. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Excuse me, I ask for information about Red Lotus.
Yeah. What the best time to visit?
The lotus in full blooming is in the morning between 6 o'clock till 11 o'clock because the flowers are fully open.
Thailand cool season from November to February. The red lotus flower begin to bloom in October, following the rainy season, and it reaches full bloom in December to February.
Thank you. Hello, excuse me, I ask for information about Red Lotus.
Yeah,
Why Thai people call ทะเลบัวแดง
because ทะเลบัวแดง gives me the sea of red lotus. I will explain in Thai language word by word.
ทะเล is sea บัว is lotus แดง is red
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, I ask for information about the boat. First rate for small boat 100 baht per person. Second rate for big boat 300 baht per boat an hour. If you go alone, it still cost 300 baht.
Thing you should do. Take boat trip is the best and only thing when you visit the Red Lotus. See to and my dictionary, and if you would like to take photo for the best view, you should to take boat.
Okay, I take for the big boat.
Let's go.
Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3. I'll be there, and I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what we're supposed to do.
Amazing. Wow, very good.
Excuse me, I ask for information about homestay.
Yes, accommodation. If you would like to spend your time for this pay more than one day, you can book as บ้านเดียม Homestay, a traditional Thai home with real Thai hospitality. Its pay is nearest lotus and cheese made by local people
people for earn money to their communities.
Thank you. You are welcome.